Hey everybody, it's Rhonda, and in this video I am just going to show you really quickly how you can add some nice stylized text to your images using Canva. Canva has a lot of different fonts and things like that, but a lot of times, the text is then somewhat plain. We don't have a lot of options for stylizing our text in Canva. But there is an app in here that will give us some really fun stylized text that may look better with our designs. So I have this image I just brought in. It is just a game monitor and headset, and I want to add some fun text to this. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the background just because I don't want those shadows if I plan to use this. So there we go, we have it all cleaned up, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller because I want to leave room for my text. All right, now I could just go over here and add text. All right, we can have it say just one more. Bigger. We could change this font to something more game related, but let's see, we have the arcade gamer, but even when we do that, it's still just really plain, right? Let me stretch that out. I mean, it doesn't look bad, right? But and we would add, if we were going to use this font, we would definitely add just one more game at the bottom, and we would make this a little bigger, but again, it's still pretty plain. All right, so I'm going to show you how to add some nicer text to your image. Okay, if you go over here on the left to apps and search for text maker, okay, you're going to see quite a few pop up, but we want this first one with the big yellow M. All right, now this is you can use this completely free, but once you scroll down here, you're going to start to see designs that say Pro. And in order to use them, you would have to upgrade your text maker. And it's not that expensive. It's only like $20 for an entire year. But there's really no need to do that because almost all of these, any of these, are nice looking, that are free, and we can change them. We can change the colors and make them look more like we want. So I'm going to look through here and find one that I think will look good with this gaming, and I think I'm going to pick this one right here, Ninja, and I'm going to type in just one. And I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to customize my colors. All right, and my fill colors, I think what I'm going to do is go over here for more of the bright neons like we have going on in the picture itself. So I'm going to adjust these a little bit to get, okay, so just one. I think I'll change that to more of a gray. All right, and I think that looks, actually I think I like that with the yellow in the middle, the bright yellow. And how about if we change this pink to a bright blue to go with that. All right, And we can change the gradient direction. I think I like that with it like on an angle, so I'm going to click add to design, and we've got that now. And then we'll go back and we will put in game, more game, and then I think for the bottom, for where it says more game, we're going to add this jiggle. Click enable jiggle, and you see how it gives us this fun, and we can mess with that and adjust that, but we're just going to add that to the design the way it is. And then we're just going to make this a little bigger, just one more game. We'll make that just a little smaller. And now we have a new, well, we have our same design, but our text, our font is just so much more fun. Okay, in fact, I can adjust the angle of this so it blends with the monitor a little bit more, and you can just, you know, change this up a lot, but you get a really fun design then, you know, just using this text maker app that's in Canva. So you can make your designs even more polished, and they just look so much nicer than just putting plain text on your designs. So I just wanted to show you that this morning. I hope you guys find it helpful. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you next time.